So, yes, I think, yes. Hello, students. I think today, as I promised, I'm going to take a classes for this fluid mechanics and the engineering thermodynamics and also engineering mathematics very soon. Okay. And this is just an introductory class. So I'm only going to take a PYQs. சரிங்களா? So PYQs எல்லாம் முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா நம்ம theoretical fluid mechanics ல போலாம். Okay. ஸோ இப்போ வந்து நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிஒக்யூஸ்லாம் முடிச்சிடலாம். ஸோ ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் உடைய அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் கிடைச்சிரும், என்ன மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வந்து தெரிஞ்சிரும். அண்ட் தென் வி கோ டு தியரட்டிக்கல் fluid mechanics, theoretical thermodynamics. Okay, don't worry, I will be there for you. Yeah. See, we are what are the topics are there? See, there are different topics is there in properties of the fluid. Okay, so we are going to discuss the properties of the fluid. And very interestingly, இந்த கேட்ல வந்து நம்ம பார்க்க போற டாபிக் வந்து மெக்கானிக்கல் சிவில் அண்ட் எக்ஸி. மெக்கானிக்கல் சிவில் அண்ட் எக்ஸி. ஓகே, let me start the class. Yes. So first we are going to discuss what are the fluid mass density, specific weight. Specific weight என்னப்பா? Specific weight என்ன? Specific gravity என்ன? Weight by volume. Weight by volume na mass into gravity by volume, which is equal to rho g. Specific gravity na specific gravity or relative density னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அப்படிதானே? Density of any fluid divided by density of some reference fluid. தண்ணினாக்கா அதாவது லிக்விடுக்கு வந்து தண்ணி வாட்டர். ஓகே, கேஸுக்கு வந்து ஏர். So remember that because this fluid is constrained two important things. எல்லாமே நான் உங்களுக்கு theory partல சொல்றேன், but now I'm just telling you. So air is also fluid, liquid is also fluid. I mean, I will write this general way. Gases also comes under fluid. Liquid is also comes under fluid. Okay. First question: the necessary and the sufficient condition for a surface to be free surface. For free surface, see, when water is there, when it is called as a free surface, நம்ம எப்பப்பா சொல்லலாம்? free surface எப்ப சொல்லலாம்? எப்ப அதுல shear, no stress is acting, no, there is a tensile stress is acting. Tensile stress is acting on the free surface. Tensile stress acting must be zero. No. Shear stress acting on it must be zero. Yes. Correct. Yes. What is the answer? What is the next question? Second question. Just a second. I think something was happening. The second question. The fluid is the one which can be defined as a substance. எப்போ ஒரு fluid substance சொல்லலாம்? As that the same shear stress or the point. No. Can deform indefinitely under the action of smallest shear force. Very good. Yes. See, that is the basic difference between solid and the fluid bar. Solid and the fluid. If you take a solid and the fluid, no. In solid, if you give the force, இதனால ஏற்படக்கூடிய அந்த deformation இருக்குல்ல, that deformation இருக்குல்ல, this deformation not depend on time. Okay, அதே மாதிரி கேன் ரீகெயின் ஆகலாம், ஒரிஜினல் ஆகலாம். பட் ஒரு ஃப்ளூயிட் லேயர் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒரு ஃப்ளூயிட் லேயர் இருக்கு. இஃப் ஐ கிவ் த ஃபோர்ஸ் ஓவர் த ஃப்ளூயிட் லேயர்னா it deform indefinitely. So we doesn't know how it is deformed. So deform is a shear rate, right? So now we comes to the viscosity. In viscosity topic, we know that Newton law of viscosity. What is Newton law of viscosity? Shear stress tau is directly proportional to rate of shear strain. Shear stress is directly proportional to shear stress is directly proportional to shear strain. இப்ப நம்ம இதுதான் வந்து ஒரு முக்கியமான ஒரு கண்டிஷன் ஒன்று எடுக்கிறோம். சப்போஸ் if velocity is only the function of y, velocity is only the u is equal to function of y மட்டும் இருக்குதுன்னா, then this d theta by dt equal to, I think you may not see this, I don't know, my image is there. Then that is u is equal to function of y மட்டும் இருந்துச்சுன்னா, then d theta by dt equal to du by dy. This is a very important point. This is a point you have to understand when you are studying for a viscosity. When you are going to study for the viscosity, when the velocity profile is only depend on y direction. See, the fluid is moving in any closed conduit. Fluid is moving in this direction. And if the velocity is only varies with respect to y, okay, then we can say that d theta by dt, the shear rate is nothing but velocity change with respect to this y direction, which is very interesting. I will show you the proof. I will give you the proof when I am going to teach you the theoretical fluid mechanics. Okay, I will teach you the, so what will happen? This tau is equal to mu into du by dy. Tau is equal to shear stress. What is this tau? Shear stress. What is this mu? Dynamic viscosity. Yes. Now we go to the problems. What is, they are giving kinematic viscosity. Nu is equal to dynamic viscosity by density. And the unit is, what is the unit of kinematic viscosity? Meter square per second. So the dimension is L square by T. Two immiscible, incompressible, viscous fluid having same density but different viscosity contained in the two infinite horizontal parallel plates. And the plate வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 2 meter apart distanceல வைக்கப்பட்டிருக்கு. Okay, bottom plate is fixed. Very good, bottom plate is fixed. And the upper plate is moved with the velocity of v. Okay, very good, upper plate is moved with the velocity v. And this is what they are giving for momentum equation. See, you can confirm one more thing also. When they are giving the momentum equation something like this, you can please integrate this du by dy equal to, is equal to what will happen? C1. So u is equal to C1 of y plus C2, which is the linear profile. So we can apply Newton law of viscosity. Now, what they're asking, dynamic viscosity of mu2 is twice the times of mu1. Then the velocity at the interface. They are asking velocity at the interface, man. Always remember this. At the interface, okay, shear stress on 1 is equal to shear stress on 2. What is shear stress? Mu into du by dy. du by d1 on 1 is equal to mu2 of du by dy of 2. What is mu1? Mu1 is mu1 only. What is velocity change? இந்த பாயிண்ட்டுக்கும் இந்த பாயிண்ட்டுக்கும் நீங்க பாக்குறீங்க. So interface velocity minus 3. இல்லையா? Interface velocity minus 3. And 3 is the velocity of this topmost point. This is 3 meter per second topmost point. Divided by what is the distance? What is the distance? 1 minus 0. What is mu2? Mu2 is equal to 2 times of mu1 is also given. 2 times of mu1. Mu1 velocity 0 minus vi divided by 1 minus 0. So this mu1 get to cancel. Vi minus 3 is equal to minus 2 times of vi. அப்ப இந்த minus 2 times போனா plus ஆயிடும், இந்த minus போனா plus ஆயிடும். 3vi is equal to 3. Vi is equal to 1 meter per second. Vi is equal to 1 meter per second. Answer is 1 meter per second. Answer is 1 meter per second. Third question. Consider the two-dimensional laminar flow. Viscosity is also given. They are giving the u value with some profile. The magnitude of shear stress at the bottom. So tau at the bottom y is equal to 0 is equal to mu into du by dy. Mu into d by dy of what is the velocity profile they given? Velocity profile very clearly given. Y is only profile of y only. U is only depend on y only. 100 into 0.1 of y minus y square. You can take this. You can take that 100 as commonly out. 100 as commonly out. If you differentiate that 0.1 minus 2 times of y. If you put y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then a bottom of the plate, bottom of the plate. So tau of y is equal to 0 equal to y is equal to 0 put இது 0 ஆயிடும். What is the viscosity, man? Viscosity is equal to 0.001 into 0.1 into 100 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 1 into 10 to the power of 2, which is 10 to the power of minus 2. So this tau value at y is equal to 0.01 Newton per meter square. 0.01 Newton per meter square. Yes, we are right. Again they are asking kinematic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity or unit in meter square per second. L square T inverse. L square T inverse. Oh, a solid block. Mass is given. Slide steadily with the velocity v in the vertical wall. A thin oil of height is thin oil film. Thickness கொடுத்தாங்க. Okay. What they're asking is the terminal velocity. What is meaning of terminal velocity? Terminal velocity is a velocity at which the net force is 0. Net force வந்து 0 பா. Net force is 0. அப்ப இந்த இதுல என்னென்ன force ஆக்ட் ஆகுதுன்னு பாருங்க. இந்த பக்கம் வந்து ஒரு shear force ஆக்ட் ஆகுது. downward directionல இதனுடைய weight force ஆக்ட் ஆகுது. So அப்ப at equilibrium this mg is equal to tau in the area. mg is equal to tau the mu into velocity by this distance h. The distance in the h into area, surface area. I want to v value. V is equal to mg h divided by mu into as. Okay, what is m? 2 into what is G value? They are given G value வந்து அவன் கொடுத்துருக்கானா பாருங்க. சம்டைம்ஸ் 10 கொடுத்துருப்பான். அப்ப நீங்க 10 போட்டதான் ஆன்சர் கரெக்டா வரும் இந்த மாதிரியான ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கு. சரிங்களா? ஹைட் ஃபார்முலா என்ன? 0.15 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by what is the viscosity, man? What is the viscosity? 7 into 10 to the power minus 3 into what is the area? This is a solid block. No, solid block. What is side in the area they are given 0.04. So this velocity, I am using some get calculator. Get calculator in my mobile. Enter 0.04 enter 4 enter 0.15. Yes. We got the answer. V is equal to 21.428 up to 1 decimal only they ask. So answer is 21.4 meter per second. 7th of meter per second. Correct? Sixth problem. Two infinite parallel horizontal plates separated by the distance. Okay. Bottom plate is fixed. The gap between the plate is filled with some density and kinematic viscosity. The shear flow is induced by moving the upper plate is velocity V. Okay, what is shear stress at the upper plate? So the question is here, what is the shear stress on the upper plate? Okay. So tau is equal to mu into du by dy. What is the viscosity? They are giving the kinematic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity கொடுத்திருக்காப்பா. Dynamic viscosity equal to kinematic viscosity into density. அதை மைண்ட்ல வச்சுங்க. Density என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான்? 890 into what is velocity? What is the velocity? 5 minus 0 divided by what is the distance? 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 0. So this tau is equal to 0.00033 into 890 into 5 divided by 20 into 10 to the power of 3. So it is at upper plate, upper plate. Y is equal to some D length. So y is equal to upper plate D இருக்கும்போது upper plate D இருக்கும்போது I am using some get calculator for this also. 0.000033 into 890 into 5 divided by 20 into 73.425. So the answer is 73.425 Newton per meter square. Correct? Now consider the fluid flow between two infinite horizontal plates which are parallel. The top plate is sliding to the horizontal plate. Speed கொடுத்துறாங்க. Force per unit area to maintain the. Okay, so here also we are using du is equal to du by dy. What is the viscosity, man? Viscosity they are given. Remember, viscosity is equal to viscosity unit number Newton per meter square. Tau Newton per meter square multiply by meter into second. So the viscosity key 2 unit இருக்கு. Newton second divided by meter square இல்லனா kg divided by meter seconds. எப்படி சொன்னாலும் சேம் தான். So அப்ப 0.44 into what is the velocity, man? Velocity is equal to 3. What is the distance? Distance gap is 50 into 10 to the power of 3. Correct? So the tau value is equal to what is force per unit area is equal to shear stress only. Force per unit area into shear stress only divided by 50 into 1000 26 4 Newton per meter square. So answer is 26.4 Newton per meter square. Next. இப்போ ஒரு parallel plate configuration வச்சிருக்கிறாங்க. அதுக்கு U வேல்யூ கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Force record on the top எவ்வளவு force தேவை per unit ஏரியாவுக்கு எவ்வளவு force தேவை அப்படின்றத கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Viscosity என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So force per unit area is equal to tau வேல்யூல tau is equal to force per unit area is equal to mu into du by dy. எவ்வளவு force per unit area தேவை 0.5 is equal to mu into what is velocity 1 divided by distance is equal to 10 into the power of 3. So mu is equal to 0.5 into 10 into the power of minus 3. So this mu is equal to 5 into the power of minus 3. What is 5 into the power of minus 3? 0.005. So answer is 0.005. Yes, the gap of delta between two concentric cylinder of height h having some angular velocity omega. The diameter of an internal cylinder is d. And what is the value of dynamic viscosity? See, we know that this dynamic tau is equal to mu into du by dy. That is mu into velocity by some delta. Velocity v is equal to r omega. நமக்கு வந்து distance வந்து d diameter கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. d by 2 into delta omega. எப்படி போட்டிருக்கேன் சரி ஓகே எப்படி பிடிச்சிக்கலாம் v is equal to r omega by delta. So tau is equal to mu into radius நம்ம distance diameter by 2 போட்டுக்கலாம். So 2 omega. Now I want what is the value of force? What is the value of force? Okay, what is the value of force is equal to mu d omega divided by 20 delta into 2 concentric cylinder. Inner cylinder is going to rotate. Inner cylinder is going to rotate. Inner cylinder is going to rotate. Inner cylinder diameter தான் வந்து small d. So அப்ப ஏரியான்றது என்னப்பா ஏரியான்றது என்ன இங்க y into d into l. So what is the torque formula? Torque formula is equal to force into d by 2. So mu d omega divided by 2 times of delta into pi dl into d by 2. So this torque value is equal to mu times of 1, 2, 3 d cube omega by l divided by 4 into delta. So from this what I can say is mu is equal to 4 times of delta t divided by 4 times of delta t divided by d cube of d cube. Pi is also there. Pi d cube omega into. Okay, here the height is taken as h bar. So instead of L, I taken as H. Option is B. Option is B. That's it, man. Option is B. No, we can able to do it. We can able to do it. Remember. So 10th question. Don't get saturated. In a simple concentric shaft bearing or arrangement, lubrication flows in 2 mm gap. What they are asking is frictional resistance. Force only they are asking, and they are using this shaft only. Tau is equal to mu into velocity by c. They gave that tangential velocity, man. So no problem. So this force by area equal to mu into v by c. Force is equal to mu into v by c into what is the area, man? Pi into d into l. What is mu value? Mu value is 0.1 into what is the velocity they given? Velocity is 10 divided by what is the clearance value, man? What is the clear gap is equal to 2 mm, no? 2 mm, no? 2 into the power of minus 3 into pi into what is the diameter, man? The diameter of the shaft is 100 mm. 100 mm na எவ்வளவு part into the power of minus 1 into the length is taken as again 100 mm again 10 to the power of minus 1. Yes or no? So this force F is equal to இது வந்து 10 to the power of minus 1 10 to the power of minus 1 into the minus 1 into the power of, so the answer is 5 into 10 divided by 5. So answer is 6.28 of Newton. It is right, no? This is correct, no? 6.28. 6.28. Let I check the key answer. Let I check the key answer once. Let I have some key answer of this year 2014 mechanical. I have some key answer. Why does it have? I doesn't have. I think I doesn't have. Let I check whether if I have, I will conclude whether we are right or wrong. So this is 10th problem. 10th problem key answer is 10th problem 15 to 16, man. 15 to 16. Oh, is it 15 to 16? What is it? No, 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 no. No, no, it is right. We are right, man. We are right. We are right. Frictional force per unit length. So 1 into, yes, we are right. Absolutely, we are right. Correct? So 10 pi by 2. Yes, yes, yes. So pi divided by 2 into 10. Yes, we are right. So our key answer is also exactly correct. Key answer is also exactly correct. But if I divide this F is equal to 10 pi by 2, no? 10 pi by 2. It's a 15.7 comes. 15. That's the reason I checked, man, because I already practiced, no? This problem, the number, when I divide, no? You have to choose very carefully, man. Get calculator. For a fully developed flow, two parallel plates, velocity gradient is given. du by dy is equal to 1000 times of s inverse given. Kinematic viscosity கொடுத்துறாங்க. shear stress தான் கேக்குறாங்க. shear stress tau is equal to mu into du by dy. mu என்னது 7.4 into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 80 into what is du by dy? What is du by dy? 10 to the power of 3. That's it. Yes. So what is 7.4 into 880? 7.4 into 880. So the answer becomes 6512 into the power of minus 4. So 0.6512. Answer is D. Answer is D. The viscosity of Newtonian fluid depends primarily on temperature. Viscosity depends mainly function of temperature. Secondary நம்ம என்ன சொல்லலாம்னா it is function of pressure னு சொல்லலாம். So x is equal to temperature, not flow velocity, not roughness and all. C is answer. C is answer. A light loaded journal bearing தான் வந்திருக்கு பாரு திரும்ப. What is the rotational speed is also n value they are given. What is the value of viscosity? Viscosity also given. What is the value of power loss? Very good. First we should find the omega. 2 pi n by 60. What is 2 pi? 2 pi into 1200 by 60. 6 2 are 12, 20, 45. Okay. So omega வந்து 45. Now I want a power man. How to find the power? Tau is equal to mu into velocity. Velocity V divided by clearance C. Okay. Velocity C divided by clearance C. Okay. What is the velocity? What is the velocity? Diameter divided by 2C. This force is equal to mu d divided by 2C in the area on the 5D into length. So force is equal to mu d square by L divided by 2C. This torque is equal to force into d by 2 is equal to d by 2 மட்டும் பண்ணிக்கோங்க mu dq pi L divided by 4C. Okay, we just have torque. We want power man. Power is equal to force to velocity. What is force? So force into V is equal to R omega d by 2 into omega. You have to remember this. You have to remember this. See, listen carefully. I did the greatest mistake, no? This is mu. How can I write d by 2? This is the V only. V is equal to R omega. Okay, d by 2 into. Where is this omega? I left this omega, no? Omega should be there. So this power is equal to mu times of d cube pi L omega square by 4C. What is C value? C value is equal to outer push minus inner push. 50.50 minus 50 divided by 2. C is equal to 0.25 into the power of minus 3 meter. இது மொத்தமா into the power of minus 3 ல இருக்கு. What is the viscosity? 0.3 into what is the diameter? 50 the whole cube into 10 to the power of minus 9 into pi into what is the length, man? Length on the 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 40 square into pi square divided by 4 into 0.25 into 10 to the power of minus 3. If I solve this, what I get, let I solve with the get problem. If you have get calculator, please solve along with that. Please solve along with me. இங்க இதெல்லாம் அடிக்கலாம் பாருங்க. இதையும் அடித்து விடலாம். ஓகே, வேற ஏதாவது அடிக்க முடியுமா பாருங்க. வேற ஏதாவது அடிக்க முடியுமா? சரி, ஓகே, நீங்க அப்ளை பண்ணி பாத்துங்க. 4 into 0.25 into 0.3 into 50 cube t cube into 20 into 40 square. So the answer becomes 1.2 into the power of 9 into the power of minus 9 into pi square, not pi square, pi cube. So power is equal to this pi cube into 1.2. The answer is 37.207. That is 1.207. The answer is yes. The 20 centimeter cubical block slides over the oil. The plane surface inclined at an theta. Oil film. What is the kinematic? Oh, they are asking kinematic viscosity. First, நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கங்க. பிளாக் இப்படி வச்சிருக்காங்க, இப்படி டிராவல் ஆகுது. அப்ப இது வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா W sin theta. இந்த பக்கம் நமக்கு tau force act ஆகுது. Tau into area, right? Tau into area is equal to W sine theta. What is tau? Mu into V by C area equal to W into sine theta. Mu is equal to WC sine theta divided by V by V. So viscosity mu is equal to what is W bar weight they are given? 64 into what is the C value? Oil film thickness 0.4 into the power of minus 3 into sine 30 degree divided by what's the velocity? 0.4. What is the area? What is the area? 20 into 20 into the power of minus 4. This get cancelled. இதுவும் இந்த ஜீரோவும் இதுவும் get cancelled. அப்ப என்ன இருக்குன்னா 64 into 1 by 2 divided by 20 into 2. So what is the answer? 3 2s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 6 2s are 8 2s are 16.8. 0.8 is the answer, man. No, 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 no. பத்தியா இங்கதான் நமக்கு செக் வச்சிருக்கான் விழுந்துடாதீங்க. நான் விழுந்த மாதிரி விழுந்துடாதீங்க. 0.8, what is the density? 800, 800, 800. What is the answer, man? What is the answer, man? So 8 divided by 8 into the power of minus 3, 0.001 meter square per second. Answer is B, man. Answer is B because they are asking kinetic viscosity. Remember that. So 15th question. Okay, 15th question. A 40 centimeter cubical block slide over a large reference oil or thin film கொடுத்துறாங்க. Force on the drag கொடுத்துறாங்க. Force on the drag எவ்வளோன்றது கேட்குறாங்க. Wow, nice question. Force on a drag is down to A is equal to mg. கரெக்டா? The cubical form horizontal surface நமக்கு வந்து drag ஆச்சுனாலும் இவ்வளவுதான். The force required to drag equal to mg. What will the force required to drag? Okay. No. Cube over the horizontal surface. Horizontal surfaceல ஒரு cube வச்சு மூவ் ஆகுது. அப்ப நமக்கு என்ன தேவை? What is the force நமக்கு தேவை? Okay, tau is equal to, we can go with du by dy. What is the mu value? 0.8. What is the velocity, man? 4 divided by what is the thickness of oil? 0.4 into the power of minus 3. 10. So this is F by area, no? F is equal to 0.8, or I can reckon as 8 into the power of minus 3 into what is area? 40 into 40 into the power of minus 4. So F is equal to 8 into 4 into 4. 128 into minus 3 into the power of 2 into the power of minus 4. We are doing something missing. This should be plus, man. This should be plus. So this 3 becomes 10. F is equal to 1280 Newton, 1280 Newton. A general bearing have a shaft diameter 40 mm length இருக்கு. Shaft rotating at the radian கொடுத்துறாங்க. Viscosity கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Loss of torque எவ்வளோ? Torque வேணும் அப்படின்னா torque is equal to F into D by 2. உங்களுக்கு F என்னது F என்னது tau into area into d by 2. What is tau value? Mu into velocity by clearance into pi dl into d by 2. So this torque is equal to mu into velocity தெரியாது, அதனால d by 2 into omega b is equal to r omega into pi dl into d by 2. So this torque value is taken as mu into d cube omega pi L divided by 4C is equal to what is the viscosity, man? Viscosity not be into the power of minus 3 into what is the shaft diameter? 40 the whole cube into the power of minus. I think we are running out of power. We are running out of okay. Just I will check what is the amount of battery is there. 20% is there, man. Only 20% is there. 20% is not possible. Just a second. I will come. Just a second. Yes. Yes. So we are running out of power, man. Yes. So sorry for the interruption because we are running out of power. Correct. Oh, this battery is getting power down. We are not getting power down because we planned to achieve. That's it, man. Work hard. Whatever happens, that we will face later. Okay. So the viscosity is 20 into the power of minus 3. Okay, no problem. And we 40 into milli not in the power of 3 What is omega? Omega is equal to 20 into pi. What is the length, man? Length is also 40 into the power of minus 3. அப்படியே ஒரு கிராஸா போயிடுச்சுல. சரி, இது ஒரு நாளதான் இருக்குல்ல. 0.020 எப்படி பதிலாம் 20 into the power of minus 3 எழுதிக்கலாமா எழுதக்கூடாதா? இதுவும் கேன்சல், இதுவும் கேன்சல், இதுவும் கேன்சல் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 10. அப்ப என்ன பேலன்ஸ் நிக்குது? 40 cube into the power of minus 9 into 20 into pi into 10. What is the answer, ba? 40 cube into 20 into 10 into pi. Correct. Into 10 to the power of minus 9. Answer is 0.0402 Newton meter. Yes. Answer is A. Oh. See here, this force acting and this force of tau value in the A both are equal. So tau A is equal to this force acting because of this weight only. This weight is m, small m into g. We want a steady velocity. So tau is equal to mu into v divided by h into area is equal to mg. Area is equal to L square. So v is equal to mg h divided by mu into L square. Yes. Small m g h divided by L square. Answer is C. An incompressible fluid, we have something called kinematic viscosity, specific gravity கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. The plate is moving with the velocity என்னன்றதை கொடுத்தாங்க. What is the shear stress at the bottom of the plate? Shear stress at the bottom of the plate. Yes. Okay. See, bottom of the plate and top of the plate, shear stress value same. Correct. So tau is equal to mu into du by dy. Tau is equal to what is mu? 7.4 into the power of minus 7 into 0.88 into 1000 எப்படி இந்த 1000 வந்து தெரியுதா? ஏன்னா ஸ்பெசிபிக் கிராவிட்டி இருக்குது. அப்ப ஸ்பெசிபிக் கிராவிட்டினா density of any fluid is equal to specific gravity into 10 to the power of 3. சரியா? Density of water actually. Into what is the velocity? What is the velocity? 0.5. 0.5 into the power of minus 3. This both are get cancelled. Okay, this become plus now. கீழே வந்து minus 3, மேல போனா plus 3. This 3 get cancelled with the 10 to the power of minus 1. So this tau value is equal to 0.74 into 0.88. This tau value become 0.74 to 0.88. So the answer what we have is 0.6512, 0.651. Yes. A Newton law of viscosity states that the shear stress in a fluid is directly proportional to not velocity, not time rate, the rate of velocity plus with height of the fluid. Yes. Not square. Yes, array. Same question comes third times. Mechanical engineering 2001. Mechanical engineering, the kinematic viscosity of this temperature is, for this temperature is what? See, listen carefully. This kinematic viscosity is equal to mu divided by density. This mu is dependent on temperature in this way. Mu is dependent on temperature. This density is inversely proportional to temperature. So mu is directly proportional to 3 by 2. Kinematic viscosity is directly proportional to temperature of 3 by 2 for any gas, not a liquid for any gas. So mu1 by mu2 equal to T1. I want a 2 only. No, I want a 2 only. Mu2 by mu1 equal to T2 by T1 the whole to the power of 3 by 2. So this mu2 is equal to T2 by T1 the whole to the power of 3 by 2 into mu1. So which is equal to what is T2 by T1? Please tell me. அதெல்லாம் நீங்க கெல்வினுக்கு போடணும். very important. கெல்வின்ல தான் அது எல்லாத்தையுமே போடணும். 20 plus 273 the whole to the power of 3 by 2 into 1.6 into the power of minus 5. What is mu2? I am using the get calculator. 70 plus 273 divided by 20. 20 plus 273 the whole to the power of 3 by 2 into 1.6. So answer what I have is 2.02 into the power of minus 5. Answer is A. Oh, we completed that. Now we are going to the calculation of fluid under compressibility. Okay, consider the fluid confined to horizontal plane subjected to the shear flow. So first they are doing some experiment. What is the experiment? Distance கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, shear stress கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Distance கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, shear stress கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. What is the velocity is also கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Tau divided by du by dy. இதான் நமக்கான viscosity 1. Tau வந்து 2 divided by 2 divided by 10 to the power of minus 3. So the answer is 1 into the power of minus 3. The second experiment mu2 is equal to tau divided by du by dy. What is the shear weight value? What is the tau value? Tau value is equal to 3 divided by 1, 0.25 to the power of minus 3, which is equal to 3 by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3. It is very clear that it is very clear that it is very clear that viscosity decreases as dy increases. This is only possible in pseudoplastic. I will tell you how. ரெண்டு மூணு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு, அதை நான் சொல்றேன். நியூட்டோனியம் viscosity n is equal to 1. See, tau is equal to, you remember this? du by dy whole to the power 1 or whole to the power n. So if n is greater than 1, n is greater than 1, what will happen? n is greater than 1 தான் என்ன பார்த்தோம்? இந்த பவர் ரொம்ப பெருசாயிட்டே போகும். இது பெருசாச்சுன்னா இந்த வேல்யூ குறைய ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். இது பெருசாச்சுன்னா for the same shear rate, viscosity value decreases. Viscosity value decreases, which is nothing but viscosity decrease. Pseudoplastic. N is less than 1. Dilatant. Okay, so remember that also. This is for ideal fluid. Viscosity tau is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 தானே? x-axis y is equal to 0. y நானது tau is equal to 0. So P is our answer. அப்ப இந்த இது நானப்பா, இது என்னது? இது சேச்சுரேட் ஆயிடுச்சு, இதை விட்டுருங்க. இது வந்து பிங்கம் பிளாஸ்டிக். Yes, this is Bingham plastic. This is Newtonian. This is போனாவது பாருங்க, குறையுது பாருங்க. குறைஞ்சதுன்னா அது ஷியர் தின்னிங். ஷியர் தின்னிங்னா யாரு? pseudoplastic. Shear thickening. Dilatant. Okay, I think what is the time now? Time is 3 a.m. Morning 3 a.m. right? So I'm getting a little sleep. So Bingham plastic is 1. Newtonian plastic is 0. Shear thinning is P. So 1க்கு 0, 2க்கு P. Answer is P. Same question. 2. Newtonian fluid is curve 2. This is pseudoplastic is curve 4. So P க்கு வந்து 2, Q க்கு வந்து 4. ஓகே, அப்ப B ஆன்சர் கிடையாது, D ஆன்சர் கிடையாது. R என்னது? பிளாஸ்டிக் ஃபியூல் வந்து 5. C is the answer. Newtonian fluid is Q. Isothermal compressibility, compressibility beta equal to rate of change of volume by original volume to the change in pressure 1 divided by dou P. Okay. Actually, should be 1 by pressure should be divided by dou P, but I can write this fashion. Dou P by dou P minus dou V by dou P. C is answer. C is answer. Okay, what they're asking. So for toothpaste, Bingham plastic, P is answer. Plastic மாரே இருந்து ஏமாத்துவான். Ninth question. We have just at the end bar. Okay, the oil at the hydraulic cylinder. Okay, what is a bulk modulus? Bulk modulus K is equal to dP divided by minus dou V by V. What is dP? 40 into the power of minus 6, not minus 6 plus 6 divided by what is minus dP? Na நீங்க பாசிட்டிவா வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். 2 minus 1 minus 6 divided by 2 initial value. What is the value of K bar? 2 minus 1.96 divided by 2 reciprocal into 40. Oh my god, 2000 megapascal. Answer is B. Answer is B. For a Newtonian force, shear stress is the proportion to shear strain. No. Rate of shear stress is the proportion to rate of shear stress. No. Shear is the rate of shear strain. Yes, C is the correct. Shear stress in the Newtonian fluid is directly proportional to not a pressure, strain, shear, strain. Strain rate. Newtonian fluid where shear stress is directly proportional to velocity gradient. Okay. Yeah, now we are going to discuss something called surface tension. Surface tension எதனாலப்பா ஏற்படுது? Cohesion and addition. Capillarity rise formula வந்து 4 sigma cos theta divided by rho GD. Remember this formula? This is for capillary rise or capillary fall, whatever it is, we can use. Absolute pressure or pressure difference for a soap bubble. Remember this. Jet bubble. பபுள்னா இது வந்து ஏர் பபுளா கூட இருக்கலாம், இல்ல சோப்பு பபுளா கூட இருக்கலாம், வாட் எவர். ஜெட்டு பபுள், அதுக்கு அடுத்து வந்து என்ன இருக்கு? ஓ ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. ஜெட்டு, டிராப் வந்து வாட்டரா இருக்கலாம், இல்ல ஏர் பபுளும் இதுதான் வரும். ஏர் பபுளும் இதுதான் அடங்கும். ஒன்லி சோப்பு பபுள் மட்டும்தான் தனியா நீங்க வச்சுக்கணும். Excess pressure is equal to sigma by R. Excess pressure is equal to 2 sigma by R. Excess pressure is equal to 4 sigma by R. So bubble 4 sigma by R. A small capillary tube inner diameter. What is the rise in height of the fluid? I told you, no. H is equal to 4 sigma cos theta divided by rho G into D. H is equal to what is 4? 4 into what is sigma value? Sigma value is equal to 0.1 into cos 30 degree divided by what's the density, man? Density 900 into 9.81 into 3 into the power of minus 3. So what is the value of height? What is the value of height? 0.9 into 9.000. I think I thought it is easy to solve in the midnight, but you know, it's not easy. It's not easy. Okay, so the answer is here actually no, the answer they are given this is actually wrong. Action they are given is wrong. Yes, I didn't forget to change. I forgot to change. Here the answer is wrong. Answer should be 13 to 14 mm. In that range only they gave the answer. This is wrong actually. Okay. So answer we got is 0.7 mm. That is right only. That is right only. Production 2021. Please check. Production 2021. The difference in pressure across the soap bubble. So soap bubble is equal to jet to sigma by r. This is 2 sigma by r. Upper 4 sigma by d. This excess pressure equal to 4 into 0.072 divided by 0.001 into 4 into 0.072. So 288 is the correct answer. It's the correct answer, exact answer. The pressure P of spherical droplet. Dropletக்கான pressure formula என்னப்பா? For droplet pressure formula droplet sigma by r 2 sigma by r spherical droplet no water droplet 2 sigma by r 1 for bubble for bubble 4 sigma by r 2. So what they are asking the gauge pressure with the bubble of same fluid. Now the bubble is the menu. This B is equal to 2 into 2 sigma by r. This bubble is equal to 2 times of Vd, which is something but 2 times of V. D is the answer. D is the answer. Unit of this Newton meter per. Manning green your Newton multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா வரும் joule divided by meter square. Joule divided by meter square. Dimension of surface tension. Surface tension Newton per meter. Newton என்னப்பா kg meter per second square into 1 by meter. kg per second square dimension போட்டீங்கன்னா m t inverse 2 m t inverse 2. Surface tension is due to I told you no coefficient and addition. We solve keep we solve get problems. We solve get problems. Nearly 47 is there, ma'am. This is the 47th slide. You can see here 47th slide. Of course 5 slides, no, it is a 47th slide. அதில் வந்து ஒரு 5 slide வந்து we have some text content. So how many questions we solved? We solved 42 questions. We solved 42 questions we solved, no? That is literally a very good thing. Very good thing. I am really very happy that we solved 42. Yes, we have to enjoy this. We have to enjoy this with the sound. Yes. We have to solve many problems. We have to get into IIT. We have to go to foreign university. We have to enter into MIT. We have to enter into Caltech. We have to do some great research which we ever did in our life. We have to do it. Because, what's the reason? Because knowledge is pleasure. Because நாம கஷ்டப்பட்டு மேல வருவாங்க, பெரிய ஆளா வரும்போது இந்த சொசைட்டிக்கு செய்யறது வேற லெவல்ல இருக்கும். அதுக்காக படிக்கணும். ஓகே, do you remember this? Remember these words always. We have to study not for ourselves, man. We have to study for the society. We can do it. You can do it, right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all your support. Stay tuned. Pressure measurements kind of problems, kinematics, and everything is on the way. Everything is on the way. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.